Hello guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are fine. I hope you guys are doing okay. Everything's fine. So today we are going to code, to build, to write, to program a script in Python to find hidden files and hidden directories on a web application, alright, on a website. Okay, so will be very simple. Okay, it's an option for like dirbuster. If you want to have your own, you can modify it later, the code, you can make it better. Okay, so well, let's just start. Okay, I'm going to use text editor. Okay, I'm not going to use PyCharm. You can use PyCharm, you can use anything you want, any tool and IDE you want. Okay, so we are going to import two modules, Colorama and requests. So from Colorama import init for import requests. Okay, now we are going to start the Colorama with init and then class color. Right, let me save it as dir.py. I'm going to save on my root, so saved. Well, here we're going to set a variable red to 4.red, blue 4.blue, green equal 4.green, yellow equal 4.yellow, cyan equal 4.cyan. Well, now we are going to configure the error message colors. Alright, so we're error equal 4.red and then open, close, and then plus here 4.reset, and then here plus open, and then hyphen, close, plus again, and then 4.red, open, close, key, and then close the double quotes, and here 4.reset. Alright, plus open, close. I'm not going to copy it. The warns 4.yellow. It's a little bit annoying, you know. It's I don't like to use this because of this, but anyway, we have to use some colors to make some different stuff. Reset, right, and then plus exclamation 4.yellow, and then plus close. Okay, plus 4.reset plus here. Let me check 4, right, plus okay, and then bloom equal 4.bloom plus 4.reset plus star close plus 4.bloom plus close plus 4.reset, and then plus close. Alright, and then reset equal 4.reset. I'm trying to do this video 4 times right now. Well, we finished the first part because here is 2 a.m. right now. I'm since midnight trying to do this video. Alright, so it was a little bit hard. Well, now we have to, when we work with HTML, or sorry, with HTTP or HTTPS protocols, when we need to access a website, we use a browser, a navigator such as Chrome, Firefox, Opera, Brave, Edge, Internet Explorer, and many others. So to do these requests, we are going to use a user agent. Alright, so we are going to create a variable named header and then open brackets, it says brackets, yeah, and then single quotes, two dots, single quotes. Alright, so user agent Mozilla 5.0. Okay, now also we have to create a variable to receive the word list. Where is the word list saved, like the directory and the word list name, right? So to do that, word list equal, you can give any name you want. Alright, this is a variable and you can give any name you want. So now we have two ways to do that. The static way, wordlist.txt, and it's done. But there's a problem, because every time we have or we need to use, we are going to use this script, we have to come inside the script. Actually, we have to open the script and then to change the content over here. There's another simple way to do that. How? Input, enter the directory, enter the word list directory. It's much simple, because when you run the script, it's going to give you this option. Where is the word list? You just copy the word list directory full path and paste here, and it's going to work. Now the same thing is to the target. We have to set a target variable, alright, to accept the URL. So to do that, I'm going to give a name target, but you can give a name website, URL, target web, web target, URL target, any other variable name you want. So we could do the same on the static way. Just open here and http://example.com/ and close. It's going to be static. Every time you use the script, you need to open the file, to open the script, and then change the address. But again, there's the way input. With input, just say enter the URL, like, and then you can give a hint like http, right, example.com/ close here, and here, close and close. Perfect. Now what's missing here? Well, when we find a directory, we have to save this in somewhere, right? In a file or in just a list. In this case, we are going to use a list. Alright, so I'm going to create a variable named found equal, and then open keys and close keys to use a list. Okay, perfect. We finished the first part. Now we have to create a function. Alright, again, this function can have any name you want: Batman, Superman, any name you want. So to start, def, normally we give names that is going the function is going to be used for, or the variable is going to be used for, like a word list. For what's it is for saving or opening a word list. So here is URL fuzz or fuzzer. So now I'm going to create two variables to work inside this function, URL and then my list. Okay, here I'm going to press a tab and then create another list, words equal open close. Perfect. Save. I like to save because if happens something, I just restart from where I stopped. So the time, I have to talk a little bit low because people are sleeping till 5 AM here right now. The computer say 10, but still 2 AM right now. So now we are going to open the list and then we are going to check, right, to read line by line of this list. So with open and then my list space and then single quotes are close single quotes, because we are going to read the file, we are not going to write on it, just read, and to read is R. Alright, so encoding equal double quotes Latin and then close it and then close parentheses SF. So here also you can give any name you want, like file, folder, double words, list, any name you want. Alright, I just type file WL. Alright, so now we have to create a for loop to run on each line. Alright, so for, and then this for is going to run on the list for line in WL. Okay, it's going to give us a append, so words dot append, and then here we are going to save the URL or the line strip, alright, on the new line. It means like we are going to take reading it and then we are going to add it to a new line. Okay, so line.rs strip, and then here open it, backslash and single quotes, close. Perfect. Now just back here for word in words, we have to compare if is there a empty line or not. I'm going to show you guys something. Okay, here, well, here we have lines, line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, line 5, line 6, line 7. I will press enter here and then here. I'm going to save it. Pay attention that I have an empty line over here, but now if I don't treat this error, when I start to use the script, I'm going to get an error and then it's going to stop. The script will stop. So I'm going to do what? Here I'm going to compare if there is an empty line and then just jump to the next one. There's no problem, there don't need to be any kind of error. Okay, so if word equal empty, okay, just pass, it means go to the another line. Now we have else. Here we have to create another variable to receive the URL plus the word. It means when we start to running the script, we are going to add the URL plus the word. That is it. Okay, so we are going to create a variable named target web equal URL plus word. Okay, now we have to check the response we get from the server, if it's accepted or not. Like the request is okay, we got a response, we have to check the status, right? So response equal requests.get, and then target web. Here's this variable, okay, and then headers equal header, the one we just set over here. Okay, now we have to check the status of this. So status equal response dot status code. Okay, now we are going to compare if when we work with HTTP, HTTPS internet protocols, we have some codes like 200, 300, 400, 500. Like I know few of them. 200 we got accept the connection, it's okay, it's connecting. 404 not found, there's nothing on that address. 503, if I'm not wrong and not making a mistake, it's forbidden. And then we have 303, 502, 500, and we have many other codes. Alright, so now we have to check if we got the code between 200 and 299. So if status in range 200 299, okay, now we are going to receive a information like print target web. Okay, with target web we are going to receive the color dot green, and then plus, and then here double quotes, and then now we can write a message like found, whatever we want to write actually, plus color dot reset. Okay, and then close it, press enter. Let me save it just a second here. Yeah, well, now we have to add this address, this URL, to our found list. Okay, so found dot append. Okay, now we just say target web. That is the URL, the full URL, right? So else, okay, we just say we couldn't find anything, so print target web plus color dot red and plus, and then 1 2 3 not found. Here color dot reset. Okay, and close. It's simple, right? I mean, not that hard. Okay, so now we have to back here. Let me see, 1 2 3 4, perfect. Now we're going to create a if to compare and then to print. That's the last part of the code. Alright, so if underscore name equals main. Okay, now we are going to fuzz the URL itself. URL first and then target, okay, the target over here with word list, the word list here, and then close it. Okay, now we can print a message like well, discovered info, discovered URL, or discovered directories. I'm going to write just discovered info, it's much better, and because we can find a directory or files or anything, right? So here, back, discovered info. Here and here, but I would like to do something like here, here, and here. No. Yeah, like this. Okay, I know it's too fancy, but just to do something nice with it. So press enter. Now we are going to use a for loop to run into this inf. Alright, we're going to create a inf that's going to run into found and to print to us. So for inf in found information in found, okay, save. So print. Now we say inf plus color point green dot green, sorry, and then here we just say plus 1 2 3 found. Okay, let's give it some space, and then color reset, color dot reset. Okay, what? What? Well, anyway, and it's done. We finished. Okay, so we are going to try it right now. I'm going to use test php.woonweb.com, okay, because it's a free and it's there for tries, right, for people trying to hack, to study. So let's do it. Sudo python 3 0.py. Oh, for red. Yeah, you see there's kind of problem over here because this I don't like it. It's too fancy and normally I forget a lot of stuff. Okay, let's try it again. See, yeah. So here's home, the directory, obelix, that's my username, and then word.txt. Now I'm going to enter the URL http://test php.woonweb.com/ you press enter. So you guys can check here that some things was found and others not. If we come here to test.php, let's open this second, we could add many other stuff over there, like test php.woonweb.com. okay, we could add many things. Artist disclaimer, your card, like, right, here, card.php, card.card.php, and like JPG or any other file or directory that's available. Okay, so let's check it again. Here, let me clean, Ctrl L. Alright, so home obelix word.txt http / and then test php.boonweb.com / press enter, and then it's going to run and it's going to check. See, it's going to check and it's going to give us, well, you guys can see here there's no directory card, alright, but it's there a directory named PHP. This works for any kind of web application, alright, hidden or not. Based on the word list you can find anything. If there's any response from the server, you are able to find the hidden directory. Perfect. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. It's too late here, it's like 2:20 AM right now. Okay, so thanks a lot. I hope you guys liked this video, and well, see you guys on the next video.